Alright guys. I fixed you both dinner. I have to make a quick phone call to work. Please don't play with your food.
No problem, Uncle Paul. Gracie? Did you want to see a trick? Yes, please, Marky. Oink oink. Haha. That's funny. Now let me try. Oink oink. Oink oink. Oink oink. Oh no. Hey Dad. What's up?
Just one question. Why are you both sounding like pigs?
George taught me.
Pardon me, I'll be back.
Hey Dad, what's up?
Okay George, were you teaching Marky and Gracie pig noises? They were making those noises at dinner time.
Not that I know of, Dad.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay, that's enough. George, you're grounded.
Whatever, Dad.